It's a perfect situation to make musical sounds.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to Fabric Friday. Sorry about the noise in the background, but it's my embroidery machine. It's doing a stitch out for me, which I have been doing several of. This fabric I think is lovely colours, and so I'm going to do some cushion covers. This fabric goes well with it, and I've embroidered, let me check, I've embroidered some designs and I've cut them down to 7 inches, and they are basically what it's going to be made up of. I have fussy cut one of these flowers. If you haven't got an embroidery machine, you can fussy cut any shape out, or you can make a patchwork block, whichever you want. But I'm going to join them together with a strip, and then strip here. In the middle I have fussy cut out, don't know if you can make that out, one of the little flowers there is on this fabric, and that's going to go on there, and then this will be going around the outside. So that's what I'm going to do now, is cut me 2-inch strip into 7 inches to sew them together, and I'll show you. I've sewn it together. Yes, it's a bit puckered around here, but once it's quilted you won't see that at all. It's just something that I've got to get sorted with me embroidery machine, which I don't use that often. And I've got a little tuck in there, so I'll take that out and redo it, and I'm going to put an inch border all round it. There you are. I have sewn, it's an inch strip, so with the seam allowances there'll be 1/2 inch all the way around it, and I want this cushion cover to be about 18 inches, and it's measuring out at 15.5. 15 once I've sewn things to it because of the seam allowance. So with this fabric I'm going to put, oh, I've worked that out wrong. Yes, I'm going to put a strip around both sides. Well, both sides, all 4 sides, and see how that looks. So there is the front of that pillowcase I said, and it worked out at just over 18.5 inches. So once I've got a seam allowance in there, it will be 18 inches, which is what I wanted. These sort of unflat bits, if you like, won't be noticed at all once I quilt, pre-machine quilt in there. I might just do straight line quilting on the middle, don't know as yet, but I would like 2 that made from the same fabrics but a different design, so they're not identical, they're just the same fabrics. So I'll get on and decide what I want to do next. I think I've decided what I want to do next. Bye.
It's a perfect